Hello, this is Corey Rindler doing my 555 oscillator project for audio electronics. So I have a breadboard and I have a chip right there, and there's a little black dot, and so I'm going to put that in the corner, and pin 1 is going to go in row 5. That's going to be the first thing I do. Okay, and then I take a battery with the cables already hooked up. I'm going to take the negative, the black, put it in the blue column on the left side, and I'm going to take the red positive. Oh, you can't see anything, can you? And I'm going to put it in the red column on that side. Okay, so I'm going to take this positive jumper cable, row 5 with the first pin, and then there's going to be a lot of things in there, so I'm going to move that over. Alright, I'm going to use a shorter one because it's huge. Okay. Okay, so then I'm going to take, I also need to take this capacitor, go from pin 1 in row 5 to pin 2, just in the next row. Okay, and then I'm going to take one of the wires from this speaker, put it in the row 5 with, it's the first pin 1, and so then that's all that I need for pin 1, and then go to pin 2, and we already have that capacitor in there, but also I need to take a jumper cable from row 2 to row 5, pin 6, so it's in there. Alright, and then we're going to leave that and deal with that later. So then that's all we need for pin 2. So pin 3, all we put in there is the other wire from the speaker. Goes in with pin 3. Okay, so then there's nothing in pin 4 or pin 5. Okay, so back to pin 6, there's that jumper cable. Next thing we do, we take the variable resistor, this, and we're going to take that in with pin 6 along with that jumper cable, and we're going to move it in with pin 7. Okay, next thing I do, I take the brown, black, red, gold resistor, and that's going to go from pin 7 to pin 8. Okay, and the last thing we're going to do is have a jumper cable. I need a jumper cable. I just had one. There's one. Go from 8 to the power. The positive. Oh, yep. There's sound. I think it's high pitched. Okay, so enough of that. Okay, for the next part, I'm going to take out the end of the variable resistor that went into pin 7. And then I'm going to take another jumper cable. Let me find a good one. Oh, here's one, I guess, hopefully. And I'm going to put that in row 8, row 7, where the last one was, and then I'm going to hold the end that I took out of the variable resistor, and then the new one. Alright, and so that's everything, and thanks for watching.